Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is going to be a mail time. I wanted to see what I got today in my Jamagram. Are you a male or the other one? Okay. Animal Jam Rock. I bet you will be a good Valentine for your Valentine, so find a good. Okay. Hey, sweet thing.
Me?
Are you excited for sister? See the pesky samples are out. Animal Jam Rock. Animal Jam Rock. Animal Jam Rock. Cheese. What? Slurpee. Oh. Hi, honeycomb. How it going? You are so cool. Thank you. Animal Jam Rock. Food. You are really nice. Oh, thank you. Want to trade stuff? Sorry, I wanted shoes. I'll give you something. Please, I want shoes.
How far are you? You're gonna pass
Oh.
this off to you guys.
Okay, well, thank you. Bye.
You know what?